Unveiling Visions. Understanding, Foreseen in a Vision. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a mesmerizing phrase that often pops up in literature, movies, and even everyday conversations: foreseen in a vision. Stay tuned as we unravel the meaning behind this phrase and how you can use it to enhance your English skills. First things first, let's dissect foreseen in a vision to understand its components. The word foreseen is the past participle of foresee, which means to know about something before it happens. A vision, on the other hand, refers to a mental image or a dream, especially one that is vivid or feels real. When combined, these words convey the idea of predicting or knowing something in advance through a dream-like image or experience. This phrase is commonly used in contexts where prediction or prophecy is involved. You might encounter it in stories where characters have supernatural abilities or in discussions about dreams that seem to predict the future. To use it correctly, frame it in sentences where you talk about knowing something beforehand through an extraordinary experience. For example, the disaster was foreseen in a vision by the seer, warning the villagers of the impending danger. To grasp the phrase better, let's look at some examples from literature and pop culture. This expression is often found in fantasy novels and movies, where characters have the ability to see events before they happen. These visions are crucial to plot developments and character decisions. Discussing these examples can provide insight into the dramatic and narrative importance of foresight and prophecy. Understanding phrases like foreseen in a vision not only enriches your vocabulary but also deepens your comprehension of the nuances in English storytelling. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of this intriguing phrase for you. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discoveries. Keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.